All right, today we're going to take a look at dividing a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. The process is going to be the same, it just might get a little bit longer. So I'm actually going to flip my board around. We're going to look at two different problems. So we're going to start with maybe 3 divided by 9,473. We still have our same steps of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. My marker is dying. That's what I get for using Brookie and Sonia. Use my markers. All right, so 3 can go into 9 3 times because 3 times 3 is 9. So I have now divided. Multiplying, 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract and bring down. 3 can go into 4 1 time because 3 times 1 is 3. So I 1 up above the 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract and then bring my 7 all the way down. Now how many times does 3 go into 17? Well, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 6 is 18. 18 is too big, so 5 it is. 5 times 3 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. Bring down my 23, or my 3 for 23. How many times does 3 now go into 23 times? Well, 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 is too big. I'm going to have to go with 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 23 minus 21 would be 2. So we would have 3,157 with a remainder of 2. Let me grab a eraser here. And now we're going to take a look at a second way we might have to solve a problem. Let's see if I have a better marker too. Okay, sorry about that. Getting my supplies ready. I might have 5 into 1,634. Now 5, if I'm going digit by digit, cannot go into 1. 1 is too small. So I'm going to have to take 5 into 16. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, so that will work. 3 times 5 would be 15. Subtract 16 minus 15 would be 1. Then I'm going to bring down my 3. 5 goes into 13 just twice because 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 3 is 15. 15 is too big, so we're going to stick with a 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Now I subtract. 13 minus 10 would be 3. And I'm going to bring down my 4. How many times does 5 go into 34? Well, 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 is too big. 7 is too big. We're going to have to go with 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 34 minus 30 would be 4. So my quotient would be 326 with a remainder of 4. So we might have a problem like the first one where our divisor can go into the first digit of our dividend, but we might have a problem like this where our divisor, 5, cannot fit into the first digit, so we have to look at the first 2 digits. And that would be how we are going to be dividing for today and tomorrow.